Your gut is not just a digestive system, it's a command center. It communicates with your brain, influences your mood, controls inflammation, and even determines how well your immune system functions. If you've been feeling tired, anxious, foggy, or constantly sick, there's a good chance your gut is the root cause, and it's been quietly impacting your health for years. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how your gut controls your mood, your energy, and your immunity, and what you can do to take back control. No hype, just facts. Let's begin. Part 1. The gut-brain connection. First, let's talk about your mood. Inside your gut is a vast network of over 100 million neurons, often called the second brain. This network is connected to your actual brain through the vagus nerve, a major communication highway between your digestive system and your central nervous system. When your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it sends distress signals to your brain. This can manifest as anxiety, irritability, or even depression. Over 90% of serotonin, the so-called happiness chemical, is produced in the gut, not the brain. If your gut health is compromised, so is your ability to produce and regulate serotonin. That's why people with irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or even chronic constipation often experience mood disorders. It's not just coincidence, it's biology. Poor gut health leads to increased production of stress hormones like cortisol and reduced production of calming neurotransmitters. Over time, this imbalance triggers fatigue, sleep disorders, and low resilience to stress. Part 2. Gut and energy regulation. Now let's talk about energy. Your gut is where your body absorbs nutrients from food, nutrients that fuel every single cell. When your gut is inflamed or filled with harmful bacteria, it cannot absorb these nutrients properly. The result? You eat, but your body doesn't get what it needs. This leads to chronic fatigue, even if you're sleeping enough and eating well. Another factor is leaky gut, or increased intestinal permeability. In this condition, microscopic holes form in the lining of your intestines, allowing undigested food particles and toxins to enter your bloodstream. Your immune system detects these foreign substances and launches an attack. This creates low-grade chronic inflammation throughout your body, a major cause of fatigue and brain fog. Your mitochondria, the energy-producing parts of your cells, struggle to perform in this inflamed state. So even your cellular energy drops. That's why poor gut health leaves you drained. Part 3. Gut and the immune system, 5 to 30. Now for immunity. About 70% of your immune system is located in your gut. That's not a typo, 70%. The lining of your gut is covered in immune cells that act as the first line of defense against viruses, bacteria, and toxins. When your gut is healthy, it trains your immune system to respond appropriately, to fight real threats, and ignore harmless substances. But when your gut is unhealthy, especially when your gut microbiome is imbalanced, this system fails. The immune system becomes either hyperactive or too weak. This imbalance is what drives autoimmune conditions like lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, and even food allergies. A disturbed gut microbiome can also suppress your immune response, leaving you more vulnerable to infections, colds, and slow recovery from illness. So when we say gut health is immune health, it's not just a slogan, it's immunology. Part 4. Best foods to heal and support gut health. So what can you do? Let's start with the foods that heal your gut. 1. Fermented foods. These include yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha. They contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria that restore the balance in your gut. 2. Prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics feed the good bacteria. Great sources include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. 3. High-fiber foods. Fiber slows digestion and acts like a broom, cleaning your digestive tract. Aim for leafy greens, lentils, chia seeds, berries, and whole grains. 4. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and glutamine, bone broth helps repair the gut lining and reduce inflammation. 5. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols support bacterial diversity. Include green tea, berries, dark chocolate in moderation, and olive oil in your diet. Part 5. Foods that damage gut health, 10-10-30. Now, the foods you should avoid. 1. Refined sugar. Sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria and yeasts like Candida, leading to imbalance and inflammation. 2. Artificial sweeteners. Aspartame and sucralose can negatively affect the gut microbiome, reducing beneficial bacteria. 3. Processed foods. These are low in fiber and high in preservatives and emulsifiers that damage gut lining and microbiota. 4. Gluten and dairy for some people. Not everyone is sensitive, but in many individuals with existing gut issues, gluten and casein can trigger inflammation. 5. Alcohol. Chronic alcohol intake weakens gut lining and kills healthy bacteria. Final thoughts, 11 through 12:30. Your gut is more than a digestive organ. It's a neurochemical factory. It's an immune regulator. It's an energy gateway. Every bite you take is either helping or hurting your gut, and by extension, your entire body and mind. If you want better mood, higher energy, and stronger immunity, your gut must be your top priority. It starts with awareness, and it continues with every food decision you make. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more research-backed health content that actually makes a difference. Until next time, take care of your gut. It takes care of you. Want to